Welcome to our first tech walk at the SPS in Nuremberg on automation and safety. During the next minutes, you have the chance to join me on a little tour through our exhibition and discover a lot of highlights and solutions for automation and safety at Phoenix Contact. So the first exhibit which I want to show you today is over here on the left, and this is our automated small parts warehouse. So you can see here that Phoenix Contact offers a really broad portfolio for machine building applications, and historically we have a strong connection to the machine building industry. Actually, we have our own machine building department at our headquarters in Blomberg, which gives us the chance to co-develop, test and try all the solutions and products which we have for machine building and get the feedback from our colleagues which works out and which doesn't. So we have a lot of things in our portfolio which really offer you added value for machine building and meet your requirements. But if you take a look at the concrete products, we start with connection technology today. And connection technology is not only the backbone and the neural system for all automation applications, it's historically where Phoenix Contact comes from, it's our heritage. And therefore it just makes sense that it's still a big part of our business. And I'm going to show you some of our highlights today, which answer the questions how we can connect sensors, actuators and modules quickly and flexible, and how we can ensure a safe energy and signal distribution into the field. So the first highlight which we have is the PushX connection technology over here. So PushX allows very fast, toolless and easy connection of wires with flexible and rigid connectors, as well as with or without ferrules. So you are very flexible, you are much faster when you are with conventional technologies, and this allows you to save a lot of time in connection of control cabinets and machines. So the next highlight I want to show you is the connection between the control cabinet and the field, and this is our heavy-duty connectors. Heavy is the right word for this, and our solutions are very reliable and are used for a safe transition between the control cabinet and the field. And the special thing about this is that we are with a modular design, which allows you to design your heavy-duty connector for your requirements and use it with a very easy and fast plug-and-play solution. Further, if we talk about connectivity, we need to name our M12 and M8 connectors and sensor-actuator boxes, which are used for reliable I/O signal connection to the field. So this is over here. And with these connectors we have a fast, secure transition to the control level. Our M17 connectors combine two functions in one connector, so it's for signals and power at the same time, and this enables a daisy chaining for motor connections. So if we speak about connection technology, it's the backbone of automation. This is what you have to remember. And with modular standardized connectors, we enable flexible concepts, reduce costs, and enable a reliable signal and power transmission. The next station I want to show you is our safety solutions. And if we talk about functional safety in automation and production plants, this is a mandatory topic because safety is what's needed for having security and safety for people, equipment and environment. And this is nothing which is intrinsically motivated by Phoenix Contact. It is set by governmental regulations, and the new EU machinery regulation even raised the standards during the last time. And this directly leads to the question of retrofitting, because existing machines and plants must meet the new regulations, and we develop products that meet these requirements. So if you take a look at some highlights that we have here, we have the IO-Link Safety Master, which integrates safety functions into the IO-Link infrastructure without a lot of wiring, with a simplified maintenance and a flexible device connection. Then we have our PSI Uni safety relays, which monitor up to two safety functions in one device and are used for simple configuration via rotary switch. And if we take a look at the isolators and signal converters, which allow reliable conditioning in hazardous areas. We offer explosion protection for all substances groups, and with our Mini Analog Pro isolators, we meet all requirements and at the same time use a very minimized solution which saves a lot of space. So remember, when we talk about safety, it's all about concepts that protect people, protect the environment, and protect your equipment. And it's really, really important that we are compliant with the latest standards in this area. So, but let's head on to the motor controls. So, actually, whenever something moves in production plants, motors are the reason for that. And therefore, it's no wonder that motors are responsible for about 70% of the whole energy consumption in production plants. And well, this is the bad news. But the good news is, if you use modern drive technology, you can again save 30% of this energy consumption. And Phoenix Contact offers two solutions for this. So we have the Contactron hybrid motor starters over here, which replace classic reversing contactor circuits and motor protection, and at the same time allow a safe, reliable switching for three-phase motors. And the next highlight is over here. Come with me. So this is our Contactron speed starters, and from the functionality it's somewhere in between motor starter and frequency converter. And this product allows a compact, intuitive support for speed control, for soft start, and for safe stop. So with these products, the hybrid motor starters and the speed starters, we allow energy savings in modern production plants, support safety and sustainability. And next station I want to show you is our modular I/O and signal processing. And if we talk about this topic, the big challenge in the market is to have a really reliable processing for signals, and at the same time avoid costly conversions by adapting these concepts. So you can see it over here. And Phoenix Contact offers a broad range of solutions to meet these challenges. One of them is our remote relay system, which allows a flexible, safe signal processing and the multi-protocol connectivity. It is independent from specific controllers, so you can use it with any controller, and it's expandable at any time. And it uses special functions like an integrated fuse and space-saving modules, which are so small that they save up to 65%. If you take a look at our remote I/O systems, they are used for decentralized acquisition and processing. So it is used in IP20 as well as in IP67. It reduces the wiring times, speeds up the diagnosis, and is also used in a modular system. Further, it supports all common field bus systems. And last but not least, we have our SPS and DCS migration. So with our VarioPhase portfolio, we have a really quick migration from old to new systems. So it retains field wiring, minimizes errors, and reduces downtimes. So remember, if we talk about I/O systems and signal processing, the requirements are very high for modular, open, and safe automation to achieve flexible, efficient, and future-proof automation. Last but not least, I want to show you a little highlight in our exhibition. Follow me. So this is our AGV exhibit, and you can see that it is split in two parts. So we have the virtual AGV on the right side and the real AGV here in the vertical mounting on the right side. On the left and right, this is something I turn up every time. So left side virtual, right side real AGV. And it demonstrates the modular product portfolio and solution portfolio which we offer for the electrification and automation of AGV systems. And with our open platform, we have also the option to integrate this into existing processes. And it's really important that we do not only offer single components and products, but whole solutions and functions for AGVs to support our customers in the best way by the integration of AGV. So unfortunately, we are already at the end of our little booth tour. I hope you enjoyed our little trip, and Have a lot of fun at the SPS. See you soon. Enjoy your day.